And so today I'm going to look at 6 reasons why most people fail in online working. Why do most people not succeed? Even after beginning well, why do they fail and they never even go back to it? So these are my reasons from what I have observed over time. Number 1, expecting too much money too soon, or what I call get rich quick. So there are people who get into online working with this mindset of, I am going to start working this month, and I know by next month I am going to be making like $1 million. Weird, isn't it? They are not even taking the time to learn. They're not taking the time to grow. Always remember there is a rule to there is one rule in life. There is no shortcuts to life, and nothing comes easy. So one reason why most people fail is failed expectations of making quick money too soon. Nowadays, there are betting companies or gambling companies which have made it look like there is just easy money and quick money. Be very careful. Number 2 reason why most people fail even after beginning is lack of skill set. You find that a person wants to work online, but what are they bringing? Which skill do you have? I may ask you, do you want to work online? Yes. Which skill do you have? And you find that even without a skill, they are not taking their time to learn to acquire a specific or a particular skill. And you must know that learning a new skill takes time. It doesn't take a day. It doesn't take 2 days. For some people, it may take even months and months of consistent learning. So that is reason number 2. Reason number 3, giving up too soon after failures. Failures are inevitable and mistakes are inevitable. So you find that, let's say for example, a person is doing virtual assistant job and they have applied maybe 5 times, they have been rejected in all of them. They just give up and quit. If you're quitting, quit for the right reasons. I told you earlier, I quit my Forex journey because it was draining me more emotionally or mentally. But I didn't quit working online. I still continued. I still persisted. After being scammed 2 times, did I give up on online working? No. So you find that some people give up too soon. Reason number 4 is lack of consistency. Lack of consistency. And when we talk of consistency, you must be committed consistently. If it's like learning, learn daily. Have at least 2 hours daily that you've set aside for that online work. But you can't be doing something today, tomorrow you're not doing it, next week, next month, next year, and you expect it to go well. Have consistency. Consistency daily, daily, daily. Reason number 5 is choosing the wrong type of online work. And this is where most people go wrong, because you start working online just because your friend or you had a person is doing a specific type of online work, then you just decide, I'm going to do that one. No. Evaluate yourself. Know your strengths, your weaknesses, what you're good at, what you're passionate about, and then look for online jobs or skills that may align with you. For example, personally, I did try to do virtual assistant. I bought a course from a certain lady and I started learning it, but it wasn't getting into me. About bookkeeping, there was bookkeeping, social media management, there was spreadsheet, there were other minor things there. Data entry things, they weren't getting to me, and I was not even interested. I just let it go. Check what you're passionate about. The last reason, reason number 6, poor money management. This is where you may find that, in online work is not like the job which you're expecting a salary after every month. Sometimes you may earn more, sometimes you may earn less. You may find that this person, after earning a certain amount of money, let's say you've earned like $10,000, you're spending them poorly, you're mismanaging your funds, and then within a short time, you're bankrupt again, you have nothing to show. And this may demoralize you as a human being, and you may just feel to quit. So plan for each and every coin that you're going to get here. So this is my conclusion. Online working is not easy. Don't quit your 9-to-5 job saying that you're going for the easy path. This is even more tougher and harder. It requires more commitment, more consistency, more aggressiveness. You are your boss, as you have no one who is monitoring you around. So evaluate yourself well. Don't do something out of peer pressure or just because everyone else is doing it.